Today we're going to work on converting gallons into quarts. So I wrote down what we know already. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Now if we draw this as a picture, we can draw a gallon with 4 quarts coming out of it. And this symbolizes that there are indeed 4 quarts inside of each gallon. Now let's try to solve a problem. If we have 3 gallons, how many quarts do we have? Well, we know that we have 3 gallons, and in each gallon there's 4 quarts, so we have to multiply by 4, and this gives us 12. To show this better, we can write 4 quarts times 3 gallons is equal to 12, which equals 12 quarts. This shows us that 4 quarts times 3 gives us 12 quarts. So let's say that this 3 changed into a 4. Means all of this will be different. Okay. And what we have here is a picture, and then we had an equation down here. So there's several different ways to symbolize this problem, or to solve this problem. Okay, so let's change this 3 into 6. Okay, so 6 gallons equals how many quarts? So we know that in each quart there's in each gallon there's 4 quarts. So we need to multiply that by 6, which gives us 24 quarts. So now we know that there's 24 quarts inside of 6 gallons. Let's try a different approach. What if we had to find out how many quarts were in half of a gallon? How could we figure this out? I'm going to let you think for just a second. We're going to find out how many quarts are in half a gallon. How could we do this? How could we solve? Let's draw a picture. Let's say that this block represents 1 gallon, the whole thing, which means it also represents 4 quarts. Okay, so we're finding out half a gallon, so half, our denominator is 2. This tells us that it'll be cut into 2 parts. If there are 2 parts and the whole thing is equal to 4 quarts, how many quarts are in each part? 2. So, if I'm finding half of a gallon, how many quarts are in this half of the gallon? 2. So now we know 1/2 gallon equals 2 quarts. Now, besides a picture, what's another way that we could solve this? Let you think for just a second. How about if we wrote it as an equation? Let's write 1/2 times 4, because there's 4 quarts in 1 gallon, so turn 4 into a fraction if we're going to multiply them. Okay, and now we're going to go equals, and you multiply straight across, so 1 times 4 is 4. Put that over 2. Okay, now we're left with an improper fraction. To change this into a mixed number or a whole number, we will divide the top by the bottom. So let's divide 4 by 2. 2 will go into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. We're left with nothing. Our problem is solved. So now this also tells us 2 quarts. We could have drawn a picture, or we could have used an equation to solve. Okay, let's try one more example. For this example, we are going to be solving how many quarts are in 2 1/4 gallon. To solve this, we're going to have to separate the 2 and the 1/4 and then put them back together after we convert. So, how can we find out how many quarts are in 2 gallons? Right, we can multiply 2 by 4 to give us 8 quarts because there are 4 quarts in each gallon. So now we know that 8 quarts is equal to 2 gallons. But what we need is the 8 quarts for our next part after we solve how many quarts are in the 1/4 of a gallon. So now we're going to solve 1/4. So how many quarts are in 1/4 of a gallon? How can we solve this? We can draw a picture. This whole thing is equal to 1 gallon, which is equal to 4 quarts. The whole thing is 4. Our denominator is 4, so there's going to be 4 different parts. Okay, if the whole thing is 4 quarts, how much is each part? 1. So, if we only need 1 of those quarts, how many quarts do we need? If each part's worth 1 and we only need 1/4 of this, how much? 1 quart. So now we need to add 8 quarts and 1 quart to give us how many quarts are in 2 1/4 gallon. Let's add. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And we have to put our unit at the end, so quarts. So, to better solve our problem, we can write it over here, and we can write 2 1/4 gallon is equal to 9 quarts. And that's how you solve.